Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a triple battle set, a booster set. And it's that's the dual arrow. I mainly got this one for this. K-Nux. Oval Gyro. And Valkyrie, Victory Valkyrie, Quake, and Nova Neptune, Vertical, and Trans. No, oh, the other one was for Valkyrie is upper. There. Sorry, I'm still half asleep. I just recently woke up. So let's get into this unboxing, shall we? Yes, I'm using my big boy because I can't find any of my other knives. Nope, okay. Okay. Oh, good. Okay, there we go. Oh, there's one more. Okay, there we go. Yeah, real can't wait to see this. And there's a whole bunch of stickers I need to put on. So, let me get all these guys out. And yeah. Okay, there's Valkyrie. Valkyrie, I mean, not the, this is the Teratomial version. Yep, okay. I need to sharpen this guy. I'm going to do my least favorite to my favorite out of this. So. There you go. Whoops. Where's that? Oh, goddamn. Very good. Oh, wow, that's actually pretty cool. Right there. Let me move that knife. Oval. Gyro. I love gyro so far. And you'll see me putting these on. That's decent. Putting the stickers on, then coming back to you guys. Because, yeah. Oh, yeah, another Valkyrie layer. I love this layer a lot. And I love the colors of this one, too. But my favorite dual layer is Valkyrie. Always will be, always, yeah. Because the layer is amazing. And of course, I'm a main character guy, so. Another jerk. Quake. Oh yeah, tight, good. Okay, there we go. I am going to be doing another trance. That's going to be fun. Trans is actually a pretty good driver. I like it a lot for balance. Let me put the stickers on and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. So yeah, here's the base right here. I put all on the stickers already. So that's a gorgeous base actually. Very cool. I actually really love this one right here. This is one of my favorites out of the actual layer itself. So this one's actually not that, that's my least favorite out of these three. My favorite Actually, my second favorite, first favorite, of course. Actually, no. First favorite, second favorite, and third. Because of stickers. So, yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.